Welcome back to the channel and welcome to part 5 of the Austin Metro restoration. Please like and subscribe for future videos and I'll show you where I've got. So as you can see, I've done a little bit of work off camera. I've taken off the fuel pillar cap. If anyone can help me out, I'd like to be able to get hold of one of these stickers. So if anyone can give me a link to somewhere that I can get one of them from, that'd be great. I need to start on this. This is what I'm going to be focusing on today. I'm going to take off the cap. I'll just put a towel in the filler neck and hopefully I can get that cleaned up without removing the tank, because ideally I don't want to have to. Been around the car and I've marked off where I've got some of the defects. As you can see, I've now removed the rear bumper. That's down there. Taken out the lights. Moved out most of the wiring to the number plate, etc. Started to mark off little bits of corrosion that I need to get rid of, so I'll be rubbing all them back. That's all going to be today. Boot lock's obviously out now. If I go inside, still need to take off the badge. I have measured that as well, where it goes. I'm going to leave the stickers on for now because I do need to get them stickers ordered. Hopefully, if they do come, I'd rather take them off at that stage. So this side's out. I'm going to take the wheels off and hopefully look at rubbing back all this corrosion while I've not got the primer to start on priming this area. I'm probably going to be wire wheeling all underneath the arches as well, and I will protect all of them. Alright, let's get the car lifted up so we can get the wheels off. Put in now to show you whereabouts we've got up to. So I've flat wheeled down all this corner. As you can see, I've gone quite deep on it and nothing is going through. It's all just surface rust. I still need to get under there, but I'm going to have to use a drill and some sort of wire attachment, I think, and I'll dig out all of the seam seals so that we can start again. If we go around the arch is really clean as well. The one thing I'm really happy with is I had a feeling the arches might have been painted in the past, but there's no way. They're definitely original. They've never had paint. So the car is absolutely original. So I'm really happy with that. I'll just show you the other side just to compare, because I think the other side is going to need some patchwork. But we'll see when we start sort of digging into it. But it doesn't look quite as clean as it was. I did have a little scrape at it last night, as you can tell, and nothing's gone through, but we'll see. And from the inside it actually looks clean, but there's only one way to find out. I just cut in here, cleaned up all the inside of the bowl. A little tiny bit of surface rust, but nothing's gone through. And I've been at it pretty hard. Just tiny bit I can see on the camera there of paint I just need to remove, and then I'll put some rust killer on it and wait for the zinc primer, and I'll get on with the rest of it. Taking the paint off this corner, it does look as if we've had some paint work on this side. I won't find out what the reason was until obviously I take a bit more paint off, but it does look like a ever so slightly different finish, so I'm not overly surprised. And there was bit of a dint in there, so whether someone's just give it a quick blow over with a aerosol, I'm not entirely sure, but the actual metalwork is absolutely fine. I need to grind away a little bit more just here and just make sure no holes come through, but it does seem solid. I need to scrape away the seam sealer like I have on the other side, and I need to carry on wire wheeling in the other arch, but I think that should just about do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. You'll see me finish this Austin Metro rebuild, and I've got a few more projects in line as well. Thanks for watching.